Across movies, music, and culture, people say, he sold his soul to the devil. But is that actually in the Bible? Or is it a myth that replaced biblical truth? Because Scripture never warns us about selling our souls. It warns us about something far more real: bondage, deception, and death. Yahweh settles the ownership question clearly. Ezekiel 18:4. Behold, all souls are mine. Psalm 24:1. The earth is Yahweh's, and those who dwell in it. Job 12:10. In whose hand is the soul of every living thing? According to Scripture, every soul already has an owner, and that owner is not Satan. The Bible never shows Satan buying souls, but it constantly shows him enslaving minds. John 8:34. Whoever commits sin is the slave of sin. 2 Timothy 2:26. Taken captive by him to do his will. Satan's power is not ownership. His power is deception, and deception produces bondage. When Satan tempted Yeshua, notice carefully what he offered. Matthew 4:8-9 says, he showed him all the kingdoms of the world and their glory. He offered power. He offered authority. He offered influence over nations. But listen closely. He never said, sell me your soul. Because Satan cannot trade what he does not own. Souls belong to Yahweh. Satan's strategy has always been different. He offers systems. He offers control. He offers temporary glory, but he enslaves through obedience, not ownership. Yeshua said, Matthew 16:26, what will it profit a man if he gains the whole world and forfeits his soul? This does not mean selling your soul to Satan. It means losing your life, your standing, and your inheritance with Yahweh. And Yeshua makes something else clear. Matthew 10:28. Fear him who is able to destroy both soul and body. Only Yahweh holds authority over the soul. The Bible does not warn us about contracts with devils. It warns us about servitude. Romans 6:16. To whom you present yourselves as servants to obey, his servants you are. Satan doesn't purchase souls. He recruits servants. And sin pays wages. Romans 6:23. The wages of sin is death. You cannot sell what already belongs to Yahweh, but you can surrender your life to deception, or you can surrender it to truth. Every soul belongs to Yahweh. Every breath comes from Yahweh, and every person will stand before Yahweh. Choose today who you will serve.